So dear students, today I am going to teach you very interesting topic, functional equations one shot. The complete idea we'll discuss in this video. Okay, so let's get started. Functional equation, you can see we'll discuss some properties and then we'll discuss some problems in this video. Okay. So you can see the functional equation is completely depends on the functions, right? You know that equations is involving, for example, first one you can see f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Clear? The addition change into the product. Which function is suitable here? You can see the exponential function is possible. F of x equal to, let's take a power kx you can take. Understand this exponential k may be any constant, right? So let us take just how to understand this. Replace x by x plus y. What will get? F of x plus y is equal to a power k into x plus y. We can write. Then how to split this one? A power kx into a power ky we can write. What is a power kx? F of x into what is a power ky? X means a power kx, a power ky means f of y, right? So we can use this function here. Exponential function is the suitable functions for this conditions, right? F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, right? The sum into product. Clear? Just you can use the exponential law, right? And then second thing, you can see f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. So addition changes to addition only. Which function is suitable here? You can see, you can take suitable function is f of x equal to kx you can take. Just you replace. Just replace x by x plus y. What will happen here? You can see f of x plus y is equal to k times x plus y we can write. Just you can multiply the k inside kx plus ky. What is kx? F of x. X is there means kx is there. Y is there means ky will be there. So this will be f of y. Sum changes to sum. So which is the possible here? Suppose if k is 1 is identity functions, right? So 2x, 3x, whatever it may be, it's linear functions, right? So linearity condition satisfied. Sum changes to the sum of these two functions, right? I hope everyone understand. Okay. Third one we'll discuss. Third one you can see the product is there, no? F of x into y change into f of x plus f of y. F of x plus f of y. Do you know which function you can choose here? The product changes to addition. You know that is only possible in the logarithm, right? Okay. Let us take, let f of x equal to some k times log x you can take. So log x means log base e also is fine. Okay. Just replace x by xy. What will get? F of xy is equal to k times log of xy. Correct? You know that the log of something, the product is there. How to write? You can see the logarithm property, you know, right? Log m plus log n. How to write? Log m into n. The addition changes to the product. So how to rewrite this? The log x plus log y we can write. I hope everyone understand, right? So you can k multiply inside k times log x plus k times log y we can write. So what is f of x here? We choose in here k, f of x is what? K times log x, right? So this is f of x. So here k times log y means here x is there means x is there, y is there means y would be there. So this is f of y. So therefore, the product changes to addition means which function is suitable? The logarithmic function is only suitable here. Okay, next. We'll take fourth one. So fourth one, which one we can take here? The division, right? F of x by y is changed into f of x minus f of y. Clear? This is your conditions, right? So x and y may be any real number, but you cannot choose y is 0, right? If y is 0, if x is other than 0, it is not defined, right? So which one is possible here? The suitable function, you know that k times log x only is possible. Why? Because the division changes to subtraction. So log only possible, right? Just replace x by y. What will get? F of x by y is equal to k times log of x by y. Now you can see the ratio quotient form is there, right? Then you can use this log m minus log n. How to write? Log m by n, right? You can use this idea. Then k times, so log x minus log y we can write. So therefore, f of x by y, how to write? So k times k, you can multiply inside, k times log x minus k times log y. This is same as, this is f of x, this is minus f of y. I hope everyone understand, right? Okay, good. Next, discuss the fifth property. You can see the f of x be any n degree polynomial, satisfies the condition. What is that? F of x into, or you can, it is multiplications only, no? Into f of the reciprocal of x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x we can write. So which is the suitable functions for this conditions? You know this is a polynomial, no? You can choose f of x is equal to, so n degree polynomial plus or minus x to the power 1 plus or minus x to the power n will be suitable. Let's verify this. Let us take a positive one, 1 plus x power n, right? So now you can see replace x by 1 by x. What will get? F of 1 by x is equal to 1 plus 1 by x whole power n. 1 power n is 1, 1 by x power n we can write. So you multiply these two things, what will get? F of x into f of 1 by x, left side. The right side you can multiply 1 plus x power n into 1 plus 1 by x to the power n. Clear? Now you can multiply everything. 1 into 1, 1. So 1 into 1 by x power n, how to write? 1 by x to the power n plus x power n into 1, x to the power n plus x to the power n into 1 by x to the power n is what? X to the power x power n cancel, it will be 1 only. You can see 1 plus x power n, how to write here? Just you replace here f of 1 by x, how to write? 1 plus 1 by x power n we can write, this is f of 1 by x, this is plus f of x we can write. X power n plus 1 will be f of x. I hope everyone understand, right? Okay, this is suitable functions. Based on this, this linear functional equations, we'll discuss the questions. Okay. So, what is the next question you can see? So next you can see, student, let's take the first question here. So the first question is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, you can take. Okay, for all xy belongs to a real number, understand, and f of 1 is equal to given to you 3, then find summation r is equal to 1 to 10 f of r. What is your answer? This is very simple questions. We already discussed that. Sum changes to the sum. X plus y changes to f of x plus f of y, means linear functions. Linear functional equations, what you can do, which one is suitable here? You can see the first one we discussed, no? F of x equal to kx, right? Yes. So if it satisfies the condition x plus y, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, which one is satisfied? We already discussed that. The first property, right? The functional equations, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. So that is the linear equation kx, right? So what is the condition is there given? Okay, what condition? F of 1 is given to you 3. Just replace 1 over here. F of 1 is equal to k into 1. What is f of 1 is 3. So therefore k is equal to 3. We got it. So then what is f of x actually? 3 times x is your f of x. I hope everyone understand, right? Okay. So what actually you need? R is equal to 1 to 10, f of r is required. What is the meaning actually? If you put r equal to 1, f of 1. If you put 2, f of 2, so on. If you put 10, f of 10. Clear? Okay. You can see f of x means 3x is there. F of y means 3y would be there. F of r means how to write? 3r we can write similarly. Okay, just you replace summation r vary from 1 to 10 f of r. How to write? Summation r is equal to 1 to 10 f of r. How to write? 3 times r. 3 times r. You can take 3 out from the summation. R vary from 1 to 10 r. So 3 out. Just you can apply r equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10. What's your answer? 3 into sum of 10 natural number formula, you know. N natural number formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. So here n is 10. 10 into 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. So 1 times here is 5 times. So 55 into 3. So 150, 15. That is 165 is your answer. I hope everyone understand, right? We'll go for the next question. Okay. Second question, you can see f of x. Let f of x is a polynomial satisfies let f of x is a polynomial satisfies what is the condition is given to you? F of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to f of x into f of 1 by x. Okay, and some condition is given to you. If you put 3 on this, f of 3 is equal to minus 26 is given. So we need to calculate f of 4. F of 4 we need to calculate. Okay, how to do this question? You can see we already discussed that fifth property, f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. Which function is suitable for this condition? We already discussed it, fifth property. Okay, So that is suitable function here is what? F of x equal to 1 plus r minus x to the power n. Okay, but initial condition is given to you what? F of 3 is equal to what? 1 plus r minus 3 power n. What is f of 3? Minus 26 is given to you. Suppose if I take positive, minus 26 equal to 1 plus 3 power n. Suppose you can take positive. So 1 plus 3 power n. So minus 26, correct, minus 1 is equal to, so what is left here? 3 power n, right? Minus 26 is sent to the left side, minus 27 is equal to 3 power n, right? But here minus 3 power 3 we can write 3 power n. So you can choose here x is what? 3, understand? But these two are not same here, right? So this is not possible, right? The positive part will not be satisfied, right? Okay, let me take negative portions. Negative. F of x equal to 1 minus x to the power n you can take. What actually is required? F of x equal to 1 minus x. What is n here? 3, right? So 3 you can replace. This is your original functions, right? Now we need to calculate f of 4. 1 minus 4 cube you can take. 1 minus 4 cube is what? 64. So minus 63 is your answer. Clear? I hope everyone understand. Okay, we'll go for the next question. You can see if f of x 3 times f of x minus f of 1 by x equal to log x to the power 4 base e you can take. Base e. So what they're asking, what is the value of f of e power x? What is the, not value, f of e power x functions only they're asking. Okay, what is the f of e power x? So how to do this kind of question? So how we are solving the linear equations? No, one equation is there, you cannot do anything, infinitely many solution is possible. So for that we can arrange one more equations, two equations, two variables that you can eliminate, and then you can find the one of the variable, right? The same idea here. 3 times f of x minus f of 1 by x is equal to log base e here, x power 4 is there. But you know that how to write it equally, equivalently. You know the log x to the power n, how to write? N times log x we can write. This is 4 times log x base e you can write. Okay, and then next you can see, let us take, this is the first equation. Second equation, replace x by 1 by x. What will get? 3 times f of 1 by x, right? Just replace x by 1 by x. 1 by 1 by x is what? F of x is equal to 4 times log 1 by x base e. So this is, again you can write it in a different way. 4 times log x to the power minus 1 base e you can write. Again you can use the power law. So minus 4 log x we can write base e. So therefore 3 times f of 1 by x minus f of x equal to this one. Okay, minus 4 times log x base e we can write. Now let us take this equation 2. Solve this 1 and 2 here. The first one is what? What is the first one? 3 times f of x minus f of 1 by x is equal to 4 times log x base e. What is second equation? Second equation, you can see, just replace x by 1 by x, no? Then what will get here? You can see here clearly. First I will write f of x, right, minus f of x uh, plus 3 times f of 1 by x is equal to minus 4 times log x, base e, right? Now, how to eliminate this equations? We need f of x only. Who is disturbing here? F of 1 by x is disturbing. How to remove this? Just you can multiply the first equation by 3. What will get? So 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 f of x. This is your first equation. This is your second equation. You can multiply 3 minus 3 times f of 1 by x is equal to 12 times log x base e. Got it? Now you can see the second equation you can keep as it is, minus f of x plus 3 times f of 1 by x equal to minus 4 times log x base e. Now you can use the elimination method. You can remove this one because minus 3 times f of x plus 3 times f of x will be cancelled out. Then you can, here is 8 times f of x equal to, so 12 log x base e minus 4 log x base e is what? 8 times log x base e will get is 8 will be cancelled. F of x equal to log x base e. What actually we need? F of e power x is required, so you replace x by e power x. So log e power x here, just replace x by e power x. You know that log e base e value is what? 1, right? So therefore 1 into x here is what? X. Therefore f of e power x value is x. I hope everyone understand, right? Okay, we'll go for the next question. Okay, next is, suppose if I have f of x is equal to 9 power x divided by 9 power x plus 3 you can take, for all, what is that? X belongs to real number. What they're asking actually, find the sum of, find f of 1 by 1996 plus f of 2 by 1996, so on. You have to find out up to f of 1 by 1995 by 1996. We need to find out. These kind of questions, what you can do, just you can see first term and last term sum will be 1 or not, or 2 or not, or 3 or not. You have to check it. You can see first time taking f of x. What is that? 9 power x divided by 9 power x plus 3. Replace x by 1 minus x. What will get? Replace x by 1 minus x. Wherever x is there, just replace 1 minus x. So 9 power 1 minus x divided by 9 power 1 minus x plus 3. Replace x by 1 minus x. You can see 9 power 1 minus x divided by 9 power 1 minus x plus 3 you can write. Okay. So now you can add these two equations. 1 f of x plus f of 1 minus x, you can add it. 9 power x divided by 9 power x plus 3 plus 9 power 1 minus x divided by 9 power 1 minus x plus 3. You need to simplify this right side. You can see the second term you have to simplify it. 9 power 1 minus x divided by 9 power 1 minus x plus 3. How to do it? 9 power 1 into 9 power minus x we can write, divided by 9 power 1 into 9 power minus x plus 3 we can write. Okay. So this is same as 9 into 1 by 9 power x whole divided by, so 9 by 9 power x we can write plus 3. Okay. Just you can observe that. So here 9 by 9 power x whole divided by 9 plus 3 into 9 power x divided by 9 power x. Clear? I'm just taking LCM, right? 9 plus 3 into 9 power x. 9 power x, 9 power x cancel. Then what is left? 9 divided by, you can see which one we can take common here. 3 you take common. So what is left? 3 plus 9 power x we can write. Clear? Understand? So 9 by 9 power x, correct? So 9 plus 3 into 9 power x by 9 power x. 9 power x cancel. 9 divided by, so 3 into, so yes, correct. So 1 times here is 3 times is possible. Got it? So therefore this is how to write 9 power x. Just you can use another color. 9 power x divided by, so 9 power x plus 3 plus 9 power 1 minus x divided by 9 power 1 minus x plus 3. How to write? It is equivalently we can write 3 divided by 9 power x plus 3 we can write. So now you can take the LCM. What will get? So 9 power x plus 3. So 9 power x plus 3, you'll get 1. The ratio is 1. The sum of these two things would be 1. That means the first term and the last term. Why we are taking last term? You can see f of x here is what? Suppose if you consider x is 1 by 1996, 1 minus 1 by 1996, what will get? So you'll get 1, because f of x plus f of 1 minus x equal to 1 for all x, correct? So definitely you can replace here is 1 by 1996, right? Okay, 1 by 1996. This is your x. 1 minus 1 by 1996 equal to 1. That means if you take the LCM, you will get last term. Understand? Okay. We'll see here. First one you can see 1 by 1996 plus f of 2 by 1996, so on 1995 by 1996. You can see, compare the first and last. F of 1 by 1996 plus f of 1995. How to write? 1 minus 1 by 1996 we can write. Okay, therefore that is equal to 1995 by 1996. First term and last term. And then this is one term. The next is what? F of 2 by 1996 plus f of 1994 by 1996. Right? This is the next group. You can see the total number of term here is the odd number 121995. So you can see the odd number, half of that is what? 199 by 2. So 997 will come, I think. So 2, yes, 99.75, 997.5 will come. So that means how many pair is possible here? So whatever odd number is there means you have to divide by 2, half of that we can get the pairs. So 1 and the last one you compare 1 pair, and second and last one before you compare 2 pairs. Like that, how many pair is possible? 997 pair is possible. So one more pair extra is, one more term is extra. There is no pair is possible for that. So we can see which one is that pair. Next one, 1995 divided by 2 means 997.5. No, which is there is no pair. How to find out? Next term, 998 divided by 1996. That pair does not have the pair. Okay, so if you divide it, how many times here? 2 times. So up to this, how many pairs possible? Up to this, 997 pairs possible. If odd number term is there, what you can do? Just take a number 1995 here, divided by 2, that is 997.5. So there is a pair 997. The extra decimal is there, no? That will be considered extra one term, that is 998 by 1996. Clear? So if you simplify this, 997 plus this is f of 1 by 2. So what is the value here? So 997 plus f of 1 by 2 is what? Just replace in the function. You will get 1 by 2 only. So therefore 997.5 is your answer. I hope everyone understand. Suppose if it is even number is there. For example, 100. How many pairs possible? 100 by 2. 50 pairs. There is no extra term available here. If odd number is there, whatever the decimal is there, that will be next extra term, right? Okay. Next, we'll see the one more question. You can see what is the question. A function f from real number to real number is defined by f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus y minus k times xy equal to f of x plus 2 times y square right, for all xy belongs to real number, and condition is f of 1 is equal to 2 is given. To find f of x plus y into 1 f of 1 by x plus y, we need to calculate, correct? So what you can do, these kind of questions, so put y x is equal to 0, you can just substitute. We can find the functions. F of y is equal to f of y, so you are putting here x is 0, that will be 0, and then f of 0 plus 2y square. Y may be any variable, so you can consider x also. Therefore f of x equal to, it's a dummy variable, no? So you can choose any variable. F of x equal to f of 0 plus 2 times x square we can write. Okay, then you can see initial condition is given f of 1 is equal to 2. Just replace it here. F of 0 plus 2. What is f of 1? It is 2. Therefore f of 0 is equal to 2 minus 2, it is 0. Then how to write this function? Let us take this as 1. From 1, what we can write? So f of x is equal to what? F of 0 is 0, no? 0 plus 2x square. Therefore f of x is equal to 2x square. What actually is required? F of x plus y into 1 f of 1 by x plus y. What is f of x plus y? Just replace x by x plus y. 2 into x plus y whole square into, just replace 2 into 1 by x plus y whole square, correct? Just in this equations, is there no 2x square? Just replace x by x plus y whole square So x plus y whole square, right? Then what will get? You can see here 2 into x plus y whole square into 2 into 1 by x plus y whole square. This will be cancelled. 2 into 2 is 4 is your answer. I hope everyone understand. F of x plus y into f of 1 by x plus y is equal to 4. Clear? We'll go for the next question quickly. So f of x is equal to 2 divided by, so 2 divided by 4 power x plus 2. Okay, 4 power x plus 2. For x belongs to R, find f of 1 by 2011 plus f of 2 by 2011, so on. We need up to 2010, f of 2010 divided by 2011. So you just observe that f of 1 by 2011, this is f of x, plus f of 1 minus 1 by 2011, you can do it, f of 1 by 2011 plus f of 2011 minus 1, 2010 divided by 2011. So definitely if you add this, that means what I am telling, f of x plus f of 1 minus x, you can check it, it is equal to 1, right? Just replace x by 1 minus x, you simplify, you will get 1. So this will be 1, right? The same way, what we can do, you compare the first and the last pair and the second one and before pair. So just write it, f of 1 by 2011 plus f of 2010 divided by 2011, one pair, plus f of 2 by 2011 plus f of 2000, so 9 divided by 2011. This is another pair, so on. How many pairs possible here? 1 to 2010. How many pairs possible? It is even number. Divide by 2. 2010 by 2, how much it will be? 5,005, right? 1,005 pair possible. Correct? Understand? So why we are doing like this? Because each term will be 1, right? Because f of x plus f of 1 minus x is 1. So therefore it's 1. This is also 1. 1, 1, 1. How many pairs possible? 1,005 pairs possible. Therefore the answer for this one is what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to 1. How many times? 1,005 pairs. So the answer for this question is 1,005. Understand? And before question also you can see, this question also you can see here, f of 1 by 996 up to 1995 by 1996. So how you are getting 997? Because you can see there are odd number of term, you can divide by 2, 997.5 you will get. So 9, the extra one term will be there, there is no pair for that. So which term how to calculate? Just to take the last term divided by 2, 997.5. So the pairs will be 997, the extra term will be the next term 998 by 1996, that is will be half, right? This is your half, f of half will get. So understand? So therefore the whole expression, each term is what? 1, 1, so on, this 1. So 997 times 1 will be there, therefore 997 plus extra term will be there, 998 by 1996. It will be f of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 you can substitute in the equation, you will get 1 by 2 only. Okay, therefore the answer will be 997 times 1 plus half, that is 997.5 is your answer. I hope everyone understand this complete idea of functional equation. The next set of video will plan the past year paper top 10 questions in functional equation. Okay, until bye bye everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.